The Wevac CV12 is a compact and sleek chamber vacuum sealer designed for both home and commercial users. It offers a range of functions including smart chamber vacuum, customized chamber vacuum, vacuum accessories, seal, and marinate. It enables you to marinate and vacuum seal various types of foods, including liquids and powders. Inside the box, along with the machine, you'll find a pack of vacuum bags in 2 sizes, a hose for vacuuming accessories like canisters, a spare high-temperature seal tape, a separately wrapped seal bar, the power cable, and the user manual. Moving to the control panel from left to right, you'll notice a digital display and the buttons for adjusting customized vacuum and marinate times, function buttons, and the power stop button. Some might ask, where's the start button? Well, the CV12 doesn't have one, and I will explain why later in the video. Now let's install the seal bar. It's separately wrapped and you can easily place it in the designated slot. Now let's delve into the basics. The machine dimensions are 14.5 inch wide, 18.1 inch deep, and 9.6 inch high, weighing 33.3 pounds. The chamber dimensions are 12.2 wide, 13 inch long, and 3.9 inch high, featuring a slope bottom, ideal for sealing juicy meats, liquids, and sauces. The Smart Vacuum function is frequently used on CV12. It calculates the vacuum time based on full quantity and bag size. The vacuum time will vary depending on the food in the chamber. Press the SmartVac button, place the bag in the chamber, position the bottom layer under the metal tags. Close the lid and it will start vacuuming. You're right, close the lid and it will start vacuuming. That's why there's no start button. When you hear 3 beeps, your bag is vacuum sealed. Chamber vacuuming typically takes 40 to 60 seconds as it removes all air from both the chamber and the bag. A key advantage of a chamber vacuum sealer is its ability to seal liquids and powders, unlike external vacuum sealers. How to vacuum liquids with CV12? Select the SmartVac function. Place the liquid in the bag, ensuring adequate length for sealing. Put it in the chamber comfortably. Place the bottom layer under the metal tags. Close the lid and the machine will handle the rest. After 3 beeps, your perfectly vacuum sealed liquid is ready. For items requiring less vacuum to prevent crushing, use the Customized Vacuum function. Place the bottom layer of the bag under the metal pieces. Select Customized Vac. Set the time. Close the lid and your bag will be vacuum sealed. CV12 includes a hose for vacuuming accessories like canisters. Here's how to vacuum a canister. Attach the hose to the chamber and the canister. Turn the canister's air valve to vacuum. Push the canister's cap tight. Press and hold the marinade and accessory button for 2 seconds, then the machine will start vacuuming. Turn the air valve to lock, and your canister is ready for storage. With included hose, you can also vacuum seal air valve zipper bags. Here's how. Switch the hose head. Attach it to the bag's air valve. Press the accessories button and hold it for 2 seconds, and it will start running the process. In a few seconds, your bag will be vacuum sealed. It's done. Take a look. CV12 allows you to vacuum a mason jar in the chamber or with a hose. How to vacuum a mason jar in the chamber? You need to use the customized vac. Set the time at 20 seconds, for example, and put the jar into the chamber. Make sure the outer ring is a little bit loose so the air can come out, and make sure there's enough space between the glass lid and the jar. When you hear the 3 beep sounds, the vacuuming process is finished. Let's have a look. It is tightly vacuumed. What if you have a taller mason jar? Okay, it's simple and easy. You still need to use the customized vac here and set the time at 10 seconds. Lay it down in the chamber and make sure there's enough space over there. Nice. Now it's ready for storage. If you have an adapter, you can vacuum the mason jar with a hose. Take away the outer ring, put on the adapter, connect the hose to the chamber and the adapter. In this case, we need to use the accessory mode. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds, and it will start vacuuming. Marinating with a vacuum sealer significantly reduces infusion time. Then how to marinate with CV12. Select the marinate function. Set the time. You can set the time from 6 to 60 minutes. The machine will run a vacuum, hold, and release cycle every 6 minutes. Place your food in the chamber. Close the lid, and the machine will work its magic. How to make a seal with CV12? Simply put the bag in the chamber and press the seal button after you hear the beep sound in any of the vacuuming process. It's finished. Let's take a look. Tightly sealed, right? If you need to adjust the seal time, you can press the seal button and then set the time. That concludes the tutorial for the Wevac CV12 chamber vacuum sealer. I hope you find it helpful. Until next time.